Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's, and today I'm showing you around this stunning 2014 Volvo XC60 2.4 diesel all-wheel drive R-Design, finished in red with the contrasting diamond cut alloy wheels, all in immaculate condition. So it's a D4 all-wheel drive, rear parking sensors, great size boot space on it, all immaculate condition. Brilliant service history on this one as well. See on the photos, but we've got a split between the suede sort of cloth material and the leather seats. Carpets all, again, you can just tell how well it's been looked after. Heated front seats, climate control aircon, push button keyless start, got the digital dash, cruise control, auto headlamps, and loads more. Just done over 52,000 miles. Superb vehicle to drive, and if you'd like to see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.